Tom wants to get into
All right, back to the action. Whoa.
Looks Hello Kitty-esque.
Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Slow pan, Jamie. Slow pan. Don't
I'm not
pull.
panning.
Oh,
Oh, why you?
Something like that. What is it? What is it?
a bracelet.
Oh.
Ew.
With Hello Kitty on it. It's very fancy.
Oh my! Come show the
Ew.
camera.
Ew.
What do you say to Nana for all these things so far?
Thank you.
Here, look at the camera.
Thank you.
Can you make a kissy face?
No.
All right.
No.
Hello. Okay, open the other ones. You are the luckiest girl today, I think.
I know. Luckiest.
I wish I wasn't getting your ripped up chair in the background here,
Crap.
Simon.
Crap.
Simon.
Oh, hell, the ripped up chair was in the background for the Christmas video.
No, it wasn't. I was sitting in the ripped up chair.
Who cares?
I do.
Oh, hell, who cares?
Sam, don't.
Don't sweat the small
Again?
stuff. You're sweating small
Don't
stuff,
boss
you're
your
gonna
mother
regret it.
around. How about
You're gonna
that?
regret it for the rest of your life.
Can we please
What's that one?
have a nice...
It's another bracelet. It comes
Wait a
with
minute.
ring.
What does it do? Oh my
It
gosh.
comes with a ring.
That beautiful ring. Oops, that was my finger.
Now we both have rings.
Yes, we do. And you as well.
A flower.
Ooh, beauty. So beautiful.
I know.
You want to give me what, baby Charlotte?
Maybe she's got one more to open, too.
I can't imagine what big pieces of paper there.
Okay, here you go.
Here, I'm going to pause.